Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be evaluating some expressions and looking at an equation too at the end here. Question: what expression is equal to 4 times 2 plus 3? Well, quick way to solve this, let's get it rewritten here. We can distribute that 4 times 2 and 4 times 3 to give us 8 plus 12. And as you can see, the first one matches that perfectly. Let's look at this next one here. We have a rational expression, 4x plus y all over 2y minus x. We're going to do 4 plus times variable plus variable over 2 times variable minus variable. So on this one, we're going to put, every time we see an x, we put a 2. Here's where the x's appeared, and every time we see a y, put a 4. Alright, simplifying this, we're going to end up with 8 plus 4 and 8 minus 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 minus 2 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. This expression simplifies down to 2. Let's look at another scenario here. This time we have the expression 4m plus 5n, and we want to know, what do we get when we put a 1 in for m and a 4 in for n? So we did the substitution here. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We add those together and get 4 plus 20. 24 is what this problem simplifies to. This next one, which expression is equivalent to 36 divided by 3 plus 3? Alright, we're going to simplify this first. We're going to do 36 divided by 3 to get 12. And then we're going to add the 3. This comes out to 15. We're looking for an answer of 15. Alright, with the matter of going through and simplifying all these, let's try D first. D, we're going to have 4 divided by 3 times 3, and that simplifies to 4. So D doesn't work. Let's try A. 3 times 2 squared, that's 3 times 4 divided by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Nope, we're looking for 15. Let's try C. 3 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So that works. Yep, it looks like, make sure this is going to work right. Yeah. And then, so C tends to be our answer. Let's look at another one here. Let's check B just to be safe. 3 times 4, the 2 squared again, and this times plus 3. Looks like we have 2 answers on this one, because both B and C end up being 15. Lastly, we're trying to figure out what is the value of x that makes the given equation true. Now we could solve this straight up, but it might be worth it to test a few values here. But let's test x equals 0. Let's test x equals 1, and let's test x equals -4. Let's see if we can figure this out. Alright, for x equals 0, let's try 0 first. Alright, we're going to have 2 times 0 minus 8 equals 0 plus 0. Well, 0 plus 0 is 0. That's the right side of the equation. The left side is -8 times 2, which is -16. So that's not going to work. So x equals 0, not going to work here. Let's try x equals 1. 2 times 1 minus 8 equals 1 plus 5 times 1, which is 5. So on the right side of the equation, we'll have a 6. On the left side, 1 minus 8 is -7. -7 times 2 is -14. Nope, those are not equal. X equals -1 doesn't work. Let's see if -4 does. 2 times negative 4 minus 8 equals negative 4 plus 5 times negative 4. Alright, working this out here, I'll work it underneath. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. And then we have 2 times negative 12. On the right side, we have a negative 4 and a negative 20. So negative 4, negative 20 equals negative 24. And on the left side, 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. So the answer that seems to work here, negative 4. And we just got this by trial and error, plugging in some values and seeing which ones make the equation true. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.